Raise your glasses and raise a toast to London's best student life at Student Luxe 10 Kings Mews-1 London. The property offers private and shared apartments. All room types offer a double bed, desk chair, and storage place. With private apartments, you would have the entire place to yourself, where you can enjoy your privacy, and the other apartments come with a shared bathroom and shared kitchen. The property takes care of your needs as they offer weekly housekeeping services, climate control, and flexible stays. With a short drive to the University of London and the London School of Economics. The property is also surrounded by amazing restaurants like Fidelio Cafe and Catalyst, where you can have your favorite comfort food on a rough rainy day. If are you worried about travel expenses, then don't worry, because the property is well connected to a network of bus and train stations like St. Giles High Street and Tottenham Court Road Station. If Student Luxe Kings Mews is everything you have been looking for, then don't wait any longer and book your spot through amberstudent.com.